What's up, everybody? This week's gonna be probably a short video, and normally I do 2 videos a week, but I'm only gonna do 1 this week because I got a lot of stuff personally I'm having to take care of. But that's on a side note. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm working on a 2002 Mini Cooper, and what we're gonna be doing is changing this motor mount right here. I don't know how well that'll show up, but it's actually broken on these front 2 pieces right there. And here is the new part right there. We got a Beck Arnley, if I can talk, and part number 1042293. But this is what it looks like. If I can get it out of the box. That's it right there, and I do believe it goes that way on there. But what we're going to have to do is remove this bolt and that bolt, and then we'll remove this bracket right here as well, and then we can pull this whole bracket assembly off. And then there should be 3 bolts to hold it on to the body, 2 on this side, 1 on that side, and you'll have to go in through this little piece right there, and it should get you enough room to get right to it. And you do have some hoses in the way, but they shouldn't be in the way too much where you can pull this out to the front of the car once you remove the actual support arm. But let me grab some tools real quick, and then I'll be right back, and we'll try to get this off without any real problems, I hope. Alright, so like I was saying, we're going to take these 2 bolts off first. And not 17s, probably outside like 16, of course. That one loose. Yeah, you can see how it flexes. Actually, when you drive it, it actually, you can, whenever you come to a stop, you can hear it, the engine moving. Might help if I go the right way. That's the upper bolt, side bolt, and I knew it was a 10, just worth a shot to try the 8 that was already in my hand. Come on out of there. That was harder than it should have been. And just so you know, this little piece does move to allow for some adjustments. Next, we're going to take off the actual bolts that hold the motor mount on. Like I said, this is a short video. This really doesn't take a lot of time to do. The hardest one is that back one to get to, and with an extension you can actually get to it really easy. Which I'll say really easy, and then I'll have a hard time getting to it just because I said that. Ratchet. One bolt. There we go. She's out. Next, we throw in the new one. Engine is a little warm. I just got back from test driving it. Just to be sure that the noise that they were hearing was the right one, or the right noise that somebody else diagnosed. Ow. Don't do that. You can torque these if you want to. I'm pretty sure there's a torque value. I will look it up and put it in the description, but you don't really have to torque them if you don't want to. Just make sure that they're tight. And after I drive it around, I will come back and check, make sure that it is still tight. That one started, this one started, and that one, which little 10mm wasn't even really all that tight. I see one that wasn't tight because it's a little stripped out. And there we go. Like I said, this was a quick and easy job to do, and you can see there's no movement in the engine as I just rocked it, but I will test drive it here in just a minute just to make sure that the noise is gone. But that's just a quick easy job of replacing this upper motor mount right here. There is another one right down here, and I believe there's one in the front as well, but this is the one that we saw was broken. But if you enjoyed the little quick video that I just showed you, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, y'all have a great day.